Hey guys, what's going on today? After 1 week, we're going to plug in Alexa to see if she has any notifications. So let's do it now. She might not, but she might do. I'm not sure if she will, but we'll see. She's about to be finished, I think. I don't think she has any. Alexa, what's my notification?
You don't have any notifications.
Well, I don't have any notifications, so I guess there's nothing for that then today. So it's all she is because there's no notifications. So please like the video and subscribe, please.